Well, when I told you I can get about 2 lawnmowers in, well, I'm going to show you. Yep, trash fine. Something very rare you're not going to see that had the front wheel drive like this in the gear drive. Let's see. It's a 91 model. Plastic carburetors, I hate those things. The only thing wrong with it is the clutch balls might be stuck on the outside. I'll find out. But like I said, I get these 2 mowers in here and plus a tractor. If I didn't have to take the mower, I could put another tractor on this side. We'll find out if this thing will run. Check the next video.